If you're getting your internet connection seems unstable error on the GCash, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to fix it. Make sure you are connected to a stable network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, or if you're already using mobile data, switch it to Wi-Fi or another network to see if that resolves the issue. A weak connection is often the main cause of this error. Next, restart your iPhone. Once you restart your phone, launch your settings. Go to General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find GCash and launch it. Now click on Upload app, confirm it. This will clear cache for the GCash app. Then what you need to do is head back. Now scroll down, click on this option, transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on the option reset network settings. Just complete this process. With these, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, what you can do is completely delete GCash from your device. Wait for a few minutes and then reinstall it. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.